more you use your Origin 1 printer, you will find adding supports as a necessary skill that can take time and practice to become efficient. Autodesk Netfabb enables users to add these types of supports: bar, polyline, volumetric, and lattice supports. How stable and robust supports are created can affect the success and final quality of a print. Selecting the right type of support for different part features can affect part stability, material usage, and the time it takes to create these structures. Each type of support has advantages in different printing scenarios. Bar supports are good to use when parts are close to the platform, for smaller areas needing support such as islands or tight, small areas. It is important to consider the material properties when printing bars, as tall supports are prone to wobbling if not created with the right amount of structural integrity. Scaffolds include volumetric and lattice style supports. These work well for parts with high aspect ratios or features requiring lots of robust support. These are commonly found in softwares that self-generate support and are fast to apply. Keep in mind that they typically use a large amount of material and can embed themselves in a part if not closely inspected. Polylines are a type of grid wall that can be formed in straight lines, on angles, or around curves. These supports are stable and work well for supporting features far off the platform. Combine polylines to create a rigid structure that can support robust prints. They can be created quickly with many or few anchor points. One-click support generation is desired by all, but seldomly an efficient method for top-quality P3 prints. Each method has its pros and cons, with tactics and techniques varying between users. The experience of the user and desired outcome of printed parts will drive which method is used for support generation. Once a user is efficient with support generation, they will most likely utilize a combination of automatic scripts and manual creation for supporting parts. Creating bar and polyline supports manually can be performed quickly with a little practice. Support generation experience makes the semi-automatic support workflow move quickly, especially once specific parameters are saved as presets in creating different size supports for different materials. Automatic supports tend to be fast, but experience is required to verify that supports are adequate and not obtrusive to the part quality. These support structures are generally robust and use a large amount of material when compared to other methods. Each support type has adjustable breaking points or connections to the part. Adjusting the size and geometry of these connections can make an impact on the print quality and witness marks left on a part afterwards. These vary depending on the part geometry and material being printed. Small increments can affect how well these break off or the witness marks left once the part is complete. These can be sanded off, but the goal is to require as little manual labor as possible while leaving a desired surface quality. When learning to add supports, understanding the desired intent or outcome of the part can affect how much time is spent creating them. All prints are subject to part geometry and material being printed with, but so can part end use. If creating a prototype, support generation may require a lot of time or little, again depending on geometry and material. For small batch production, increased time may be spent on achieving ideal surface quality and reducing support use. In high throughput production, expect to spend quality time perfecting support breaking points, structure, and material usage. With more experience comes understanding and speed in creating adequate supports.